Alright kids, let's recap what we've done the last time we had an online class. So this was the homework I gave you. Why should Malaysians follow the stay-at-home order given by the government? And how can this action help to prevent COVID-19? Well, basically, as you can see, there are two parts of the question. Okay, the first part is this one. Why should Malaysians follow the stay-at-home order given by the government? And the second one, how can this action help to prevent COVID-19? So when you're doing an introduction, there are two things that you need to remember.
Okay, so 3 things you need to remember to include when writing introduction. The first one is the hook. The hook is also the attention grabber. So it can be any sort of like wise man saying or quotes. And then background information about COVID-19 or what's going on. And thesis, the main idea of what this essay is going to be about. Okay, so right now let's start with the hook. Let's look at the question again. Why should Malaysians follow the stay-at-home order given by the government, and how can this action help to prevent COVID-19? I think we should talk about like what Mimi has written and Mimi has shown me. So I'm just going to quote Mimi.
Okay, so just stay at home to protect yourself and your loved ones. These, it's actually these here, not there. These were the words of Malaysian Prime Minister. You can write our Prime Minister's name, or you can choose not to write, but do not write in short form. I just want to save space here, okay? So these were the words of Malaysian Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin, broadcasted on live television on 18th of March 2020. So what's the background information? Background information is you give a little bit of information. It can be about COVID-19, or it can be about what's going on with Malaysians and COVID-19.
Now, the last part, the main idea of what this essay will be about. So the trick is, what you can do is, you can actually tweak the words from the instruction to end your introduction. So what can you say? We've talked about the hook, about what our Prime Minister has said over the past 7 days. And now we've talked about background information on COVID-19 and how it has claimed the lives of 21 people so far. So that's enough background information, I think. We don't have to go into the scientific details of what COVID-19 is, because that's just going to waste time, and you're going to your essay is going to be very long-winded. Okay, so we keep the scientific facts away, not for now. So the thesis idea, we're going to tweak from this. Okay, my cat is coming. No cat, no Katniss. Excuse me. Okay. So main idea, we are going to use the word therefore. Therefore is a good sentence connector to end your introduction. All right.
Okay, so the last part, you see I've actually taken a huge part of the question and
turn it into my last sentence or my thesis statement for the introduction. Okay, so the thesis goes like, therefore, it is vital that Malaysians follow our Prime Minister's order to stay at home, as this action will definitely help save lives. If it's a bit too long, we can put a full stop there. This is because we could decrease the number of COVID-19 cases by not going out. Okay, so that's it.